Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix if your YouTube notifications are not working on your mobile device, so on the YouTube app. If you want to see what's going on, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that and get notifications back up and running. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then you want to select the Apps tile, and then select where it says See All Apps, and then scroll all the way down to where it says YouTube and select that, and then select Notifications. Toggle YouTube notifications to the on position by clicking inside that oval one time, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.